In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text behind a person in CapCut PC, step by step, even if you've never done this before. This is a really cool effect for intros, reels, YouTube shorts, edits, and any video where you want your text to sit behind your subject for a more professional cinematic look. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut PC and start a new project. Now drag your original video clip down onto the timeline and place it on track 1. This is going to be your bottom layer, and it should stay underneath everything else throughout the edit. Make sure the clip is positioned properly and stretched across the timeline so it covers the full section of video you want to work with. Next, we're going to add the text. On the top left, click on the text option, then choose default text. Drag that text layer onto track 2 right above your video. Once it's on the timeline, click into the text box and type whatever words you want to appear in your video. You can keep it simple, like a name, a title, or a short phrase that looks good in the scene. After typing your text, take a moment to customize it. You can change the font, adjust the size, alter the color, and move the position so it fits naturally in the frame. A good tip here is to place the text where the person will pass in front of it so the effect is actually noticeable. Once you're happy with how it looks, stretch the text clip so it matches the full duration of your video. That way, the text stays on screen for as long as you need it. Now here's the important part. Right-click on the text layer and convert the text layer into a compound clip. This helps make the layers easier to manage while you continue building the effect. It's a useful step when you want to keep your timeline organized and avoid accidentally shifting the text later. Next, we need to duplicate the video. Click on your original video clip on track 1, then copy it with Ctrl+C and paste it with Ctrl+V. After that, drag this copied clip up onto track 3, placing it directly above the text layer. The copied clip should line up perfectly with the bottom video so everything stays synced. This top video layer is what we'll use to isolate the person and place them in front of the text. Now click on the top video clip on track 3. In the settings panel on the top right, go to the video tab, then look for Remove BG or Cutout. Once you find it, select Auto Removal. CapCut will automatically detect the person and remove the background, leaving the subject separated from the clip. This is what makes the text appear behind the person instead of in front of them. If the auto removal doesn't look perfect, don't worry. You can use custom removal instead, especially if you're working with a free account and need more control over the export or the cutout process. Just refine the subject area until the person is isolated as cleanly as possible. The better the cutout, the cleaner the final effect will look. Once that is done, scrub through your timeline and preview the effect. You should now see the original video at the bottom, the text in the middle, and the cutout person on top, creating that layered look where the text sits behind the subject. If anything looks off, adjust the text position, fix the duration, or refine the cutout until it lines up properly. And that's it. You've just learned how to add text behind a person in CapCut PC. It's a simple effect, but it can instantly make your videos look much more creative and polished. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.